So guys, today I'm going to be changing the steering knuckle. That is the piece that connects the rotor, wheel, all that to the axle. It also holds the brake calipers. Mine is damaged. It's been that way ever since I've had JJ. They stripped the bolts out that hold the calipers on, and so because of that we have two different size bolts, and the sleeve they have to go over this bolt that causes the calipers to be able to slide and to move, as you can see right here, is way bigger than that sleeve, and this bolt does not fit that sleeve properly, and it caused my calipers to move. And I've already repaired the damage that it caused, but the teeth right here, these brake teeth, was digging in to my knuckle, and it put big old wire spots in it, and I took a picture of it. So I welded all of that up and put it back together actually this week, and I thought, you know, I need to just go ahead and order me another knuckle. So that's what I've done, and I'm going to go get it out of the house right now to make sure it is the right one, and then I'm going to put that on today. All right, so I ordered me some new bolts and slides for my new knuckle. I also got the new dust boots that I guess you fill those with grease and stuff so everything will slide and move good. And then here is my knuckle. I'm going to make sure that it is the right one. I got all this stuff on Amazon. Links will be in the description, and I'll try to remember to pin it to the top comment. Alright, so yep, that's right. That's the right one. That's the orientation for it. And so go ahead and start taking that one off. And it's not a hard job, but it's going to be just a little bit of time. So here is what they had. These two pieces as a slide. Slide has to be a single piece in order for this caliper not to shake around. This right here left a gap and it just moving all over the place. And that's the reason I found out what was going on, is it was loud and making noises going down the road. And so I had to weld up this these pieces right here, and that fixed that. If that was the only problem, that was fine. But anyway, that was not the only problem. You can see they drilled out that hole bigger than that hole. And so anyway, that was the issue that I was having, because I couldn't put the factory hardware back in and get it fixed to my liking. This one right here, this side may be fine, but it's getting replaced. Alright, I just found out another thing. Here's that old rubber boot that looked okay, but you can see it's got a hole wore out in it where there was so much movement going around. And this is, I know it don't look like it, this is a new caliper. I put it on. Y'all saw me make the video on it when I replaced the caliper. I hope it hasn't watered these slide holes out. So this problem that I'm fixing here, it's been like that from day one of my ownership of JJ. It was something else that the previous owner had done to get by. And as much as they've done, y'all have heard me complain a lot, but it's kind of actually impressive if they could cobble up such stuff and make it work and the Jeep would still be functional. So I don't know, I don't appreciate having to fix everything that they messed up, but I'm kind of impressed in the way that they was able to do such jerry-rigging and make it still work. Alright, I'm going to get this wheel put back on. This job is done, and we're fixing to do the drawing for the headlight giveaway. I'm going to go in on the computer. I'm going to put all the names that entered for the headlights into a automated name picker generator. It'll be like a spinning wheel, and we'll see who comes up as a winner. I'm going to put all the names in. I'm going to spin the wheel one time, and whoever gets it is who gets it. Alright guys, we're getting ready to do the giveaway right now for the headlights, and just looking at little red, that Jeep looks good. Seth parked beside me at work the other day. He works where I work at now, and he just made JJ look bad. I mean, it made JJ look bad. So I'm going to have to come up with something to do to JJ, but I mean, I don't think I can ever get JJ to look like that. That is just, I don't know. I don't know how it comes across on video, but in person, I love it. I mean, I love everything about it. So anyway, let's get ready to do the drawing. I'm going to drop all the names down in a name generator, no, and a name picker. It's got a spot where you can copy and paste all your names in at once, and then you press a button and it spins this big colorful wheel, and it's got all the names in the wheel and the stop on the winner. I'm going to spin the wheel one time, and whoever wins the drawing is who wins the drawing. So let's get to that right now. All right, congratulations, Pete. You are the winner of the headlights. And if you'll contact me with my email address, it's going to be in the description. And I'm also going to pin it in the top comment of the comment section. And get me your shipping address, and I will mail those out to you ASAP. Wish I could have given everybody a set of headlights, but my funds on my YouTube channel did not allow me to do that. I get just a little bit of money from YouTube just to keep some projects going, but not just a lot. So I thank y'all for y'all support. Y'all the reason I get some funds on YouTube that helps me buy products to keep upgrading. JJ Seth has funded this right here all by himself. I did not spend a penny on it, and I think he has done a great job deciding what he wanted this Jeep to look like. Well guys, that's gonna be a wrap on this video. I appreciate y'all, my subscribers. Y'all mean so much to me. Coming week after week, leaving comments, give me the thumbs up. It just encourages me to try to keep making some content that you might find useful. And y'all come back next time and we'll see what we've got going in.
Yeah.